Welcome back. A house in Morlekola collapsed due to heavy rainfall on Friday midnight. Naik family was asleep in the house. None were hurt in the accident. Also, fishing trawler Libia's debris, which capsized on Friday, washed ashore at Agonda. Beach cleaners found wallets and barrels of the fishermen.
No, झाले ते 12-12:30 रात्री वण ते पडली ती धपको बसला जाल्यार भितर पडले मागीर बरोबर हांव धांवून येयलो.
कोण न्हिदलेलो आशिल्लो थंय?
तो बापूय न्हिदलो आसलो खाटीचेर. मागीर ताका येयलो आनी बेग मागीर फाटी वळलो. तूं म्हण हें पडलां आतां जाल्यार तें फाटीचेर पडलेलें जाल्यार घुंवलें खाटीर पडोन. घुंवोन सकयल पडलें आनी सकयल पडल्यान तो कुशीन उरलो 4 कुशीन उरलो. तो मागीर 4 भितर उरला तेन्ना तेजे बसला तो बापूय गेला.
9:30 निवाळ करताली. कितें आशिल्लें हांगा? सामान आशिल्लें. बॅरल कितले आशिल्ले? लोकांनी येयली. कितले बॅरल आशिल्ले खंय? सिलिंडर आनी बॅरल आनी कितें आशिल्लें? तुमी 9 येयल्ली म्हळ्यार राती येवन पडलें हें सामान सगळें. पाकिटां बी मेळ्ळी तुमकां हांगा? कपड्यां बॅग बी पडले आसले.
Fields around Kakoda Industrial Estate are getting barren. Farmers have accused Marpol company of releasing harmful chemicals in the fields, making the fields a wasteland. Farmers also informed that crop doesn't yield good harvest due to harmful chemicals. When Prudent contacted manager of the company, Uday Pawar, he denied allegations by the farmers.
ते केमिकल सोडटाय आनी ते शेत रोयतालो म्हळ्यार बाद जायना आसलें उत्पन्न येना आसलो म्हाका लॉस जातालें देखून आतां हे आदी 2 वर्सां जालीं हांव थोडेंशें म्हाका हें मेळटा हांव रोयतालो म्हूण ह्या वर्सा तेणें हे केमिकल सोडला आनी हे इफेक्ट दिला म्हणटरी तेणें आमी तांकां उलयले आसा तेणें म्हाका कांय रिप्लाय दिलो ना. सायडीन हे काजू सायडीन काजू आसा काजूकूय इफेक्ट येता ते हे सायडीन रायट सायडीन म्हणजे आनी एक मारपोलो मागीर हांगा तेचे तो ते सकयल मुगेल शेत आसा हे गेल पळोवन आमचे भंय येयला की सकयल आमचें शेत आमचें कशें जातलें आनी आमी आतां रोवचें ना रोवचें हाजेरूय आमकां विचार येयला. दुसरें म्हळ्यार कितें आसा गोवोरमेंटान आमकां जायती स्कीम काडल्या शेत रोवचें शेत कुळागर करचें हें करचें तें करचें मागीर हें रोयता तेजेरूच तो असो इफेक्ट जाता जाल्यार फुडली फ्युचर आमगे कसो.
तुमगेलें मार्बलाचें उदक तुमच्या शेतां वचून केमिकल वचून पाड येता म्हूण त्या बद्दल तुमी कितें म्हणपाक येता?
ना आमचें तशें उदक बिदक वचना
तेणी तुमकां कितें कंप्लेन दिल्ली तुमकां मेळिल्ली न्ही तें?
एक दीस केन्ना आयले ते पूण वेल तशें कांय ना आतां.
तुमकां रिटर्न कंप्लेन दिली म्हणटा ते?
हय रिटर्न एक तेन्ना धाडून दिली ते आमी ऑलरेडी ते आमकां थंय धाडून दिला.
तुमच्या सायडी शेत आसा शेत फॅक्टरी सायडी शेत आसा?
शेत म्हणून आतां एक्झॅक्टली कितें हांव तशें तितलें
शेत रोयल्ले कडेन आसा आमकां दिसता आमी आतां पळयलें रोयल्ले कडेन आसा म्हणजे ते हातूंक तें उदक पळय वता न्ही त्या उदकांक मातशें हेंशें जाता वास येता.
आमचें अशें कांय ना.
The first ever Force Gurkha Rainforest Challenge India got off to a daring start with its opening stage called the Prologue at Donapal on Saturday morning. 24 competitors got the first taste of the testing conditions to follow after taking part in the first ever franchise-based international off-roading competition in India. Founder and creator of the Rainforest Challenge, Louis V, is pleasantly surprised by the passion of the first-time Indian participants.
Whatever it takes is the attitude shown by the drivers as the maiden Force Gurkha RFC India commenced at Donapaula on Saturday. It was simply outrageous off-road motorsport action never seen before on such a massive scale in the state as the men and their machines battled the tough, rocky and the usually unmotorable terrains with great courage and determination. With me the founder and creator of Rainforest Challenge of Malaysia, Mr. Louis V. Mr. V, what's your first reaction as to how the Indian RFC is going on?
Now, as you can see over here, there are 6 stages, all carefully done, but these stages are all meant to be for the drivers and the co-drivers to have a feel of the terrain. This is only the prologue. It's supposed to be the light to medium only.
Okay.
not to be the extreme hardcore. But the terrain here is quite suitable for first timers, for the Indian off-roaders. I think it is a good chance for them to experience a bit their driving skills and all that. So, like I said, they got to feel the ground, like swimming. Got to go into the water and feel. Now, this is a good time for them to feel what the car can do, what the car cannot do, and what their co-driver can do and what they cannot do. So, the terrain you see here is an excellent ground for them. Not too hard, not too easy, but just about right.
Right, so from this we can gauge that the next stages, the Predator, the Twilight Zone and Terminator would be really tough if we go by this.
Correct, you are right, because the next stage will be progressively more and more difficult. Predator, as you know, Predator. Terminator gets tougher. Twilight Zone is the extreme, However, we have to cater to we want all the Indian off-roaders to enjoy the whole event. We cannot make it too difficult, but at the same not too easy. This is a RFC standard, so it has to be upgraded. But in fact, from what I can see now, the passion in them and their vehicles already quite to that mark, which I'm also very happy and at the same time surprised but happy.
It's awesome. We can see in the eyes of the drivers that they are really enjoying the challenge.
Yes, exactly. This is what we want them to enjoy. This first RFC event in India. Off-roaders, this is a time, the monsoon season is a time to be in Goa.
Absolutely. So there you heard it from Mr. V that RFC is a challenge that all off-roaders out there should enjoy, and if you are in Goa and India, this is one event that you will not be missing for the next year. Now it's already on, so you just better keep an eye on what's happening in RFC and improve your off-roading skills. With video journalist Deven Gaonkar, this is Neeraj Prabhu for Prudent from the land designated for IT habitat in Donapaula.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.